Breaking news, Wallpaper is back. Where did it go? No one really knows. It got lost in the 70s, showed up a bit in the 80s, then it disappeared again, but now it's back. And what's most important is that it's back. And that means we have to figure out how to get our vents looking good with wallpaper. No one ever thinks about vents, as is evidenced by how ugly most of the vents in houses are. But not anymore, because there's companies like Envisivent making these flush mount removable air vents that, believe it or not, can be painted, wallpapered, Venetian plastered. We've done virtually everything that one can do to cover up these vents and make them look as seamless and invisible as possible. But we've never done anything quite as unique as this awkward little bulkhead vent here. In this case, the vent itself, the frame didn't fit in the bulkhead, so we had to trim the flange to make sure that it did fit. And then we installed it as we normally would, which means screwing it, taping it, mudding it, painting it, all of that good stuff to make sure that it lasts. And after that was done, because we knew it was going to get wallpapered, because wallpaper's back, I don't know if you heard, there's a few tips and tricks that you can use to make sure that it looks good when it gets wallpapered. The most important one, and one that we recommend even if you're just painting the vent a dark color, is to paint the grill and the inside of the louvers themselves the dark color first. That way you don't see a light color, because the Envisivents are made of white. Why am I telling you this? Listen, you get the point. So after you've painted it, wallpaper right over it like it wasn't even there, but making sure that you know where it is, because the next step is to trace the frame carefully with a knife, remove the grill. Then when the grill is removed, you're going to cut out each vent individually and very, very carefully as to not expose more grill than necessary. And once you've done that, you're done. You simply click the grill back into the frame, and now you've got a wallpapered vent, and it's not ugly anymore. It's beautiful, like your wallpaper. And your wallpaper that is now back and will live in this room for as long as you want it to be there. Oof, don't even get me started on taking wallpaper off, but it doesn't look ugly anymore. It looks beautiful, and that's what's important.